Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream at home. First, ensure you have fresh, whole milk, ideally unpasteurized, for the richest cream. Chill the milk in your refrigerator for at least 12 hours or preferably overnight. This allows the cream to naturally separate and rise to the top. You'll then be ready to easily skim off the thick cream layer. To separate the cream, you can use a wide, shallow bowl, which makes skimming easier. Alternatively, for larger quantities, a mechanical cream separator offers efficiency. A simple ladle or large spoon is perfect for carefully scooping the cream from the surface. Always make sure your tools are impeccably clean to maintain the quality of your homemade cream. Once you've collected your cream, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness, plan to use your homemade cream within 3 to 5 days. It's wonderfully versatile. You can whip it into a delightful topping for desserts, stir it into your morning coffee, or enrich your favorite sauces and soups. For a greater yield of cream, choose milk with a higher fat content, such as Jersey cow milk. You can also experiment with different types of milk, like goat's milk, to discover unique flavors and textures. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy the satisfaction of making your own fresh cream at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.